So, a huge problem with space exploration is radiation, but also we have a problem with space exploration with life forms, specifically with gravity, with the light not being the exact same, sleep disturbances, and a bunch of other things. But it can be hard to piece out what it exactly is causing what in space, and the problems. Now, making space-resistant organisms can also be useful for research beyond just humans colonizing outer space or working in outer space, because we can also have it. We want to put model organisms in outer space because they can lead to advances in a variety of medicine stuff. For example, making crystals in outer space is actually easier than on Earth, and examining certain proteins and structures in living things are easier outside of Earth without gravity. Development also, some of it is dependent, we think, on gravity, but we can't piece together that. Besides, also, if you want to send humans, you want them to be healthy and resistant to radiation as possible, but other things, too. Now, some of the more complex things, we don't know what's exactly causing it. Is it the radiation, or is it the gravity? And how to treat what, or the minimum amount of gravity we need for health. So, one way around this may be to genetically engineer more radiation-resistant mice or other organisms for basic research, and we can figure out what is exactly making the astronauts sick in different ways to figure out maybe how better to treat it. Is this gravity making them sick, or radiation? Maybe in the future even find treatments for astronauts, such as anything from genetic engineering, which is more controversial, to medications or diets. If we can figure out how to make the mice be able to handle it better. And also, because the mice can go for several generations, we can see more long-term damage. And having mice being bred in outer space, not dying from radiation, and having more mice generations means we don't have to send up as much stuff. So just an idea I want to throw out there. Now, how would we do this? Well, there's a bunch of things that can help against radiation. There's heat shock proteins, which can help transport proteins into the right places and make them, and also help them fold and maintain the proper structures, and transport out proteins that are damaged. Or they can make damaged proteins work a little better, or stop the damage from spreading by stopping damaged protein from messing up other proteins. There's antioxidants. Some organisms produce a lot of antioxidants that help stop damage from radiation in the body. Now that's just different than eating or swallowing antioxidants, because it's more readily available in the right places at the right time. Other ones make proteins that are slightly more resistant to damage and the folding radiation damage in the first place. Or you can have stuff that has better repair mechanisms, so better healing and stuff. You can also have stuff to prevent cancer and make your immune system work better, to clean up damage and waste. So a bunch of things, or better DNA repair mechanisms. Well, and I think it's all possible because this organism is thousands to millions of times the radiation ability as a human being in mice. Well, thank you very much for listening. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. If you have ideas for future videos, comments, or suggestions, please leave in the comment section below. Again, thank you very much. Goodbye.